Brothers and sisters, first of all, pomaže, God with us. We always need to have God in our lives. I'm here at my gym, the Achilles gym in New Belgrade. Let's see if there's going to be less stomach and let's see, more muscles. I'm going to go out there and sweat. These days I'm a bit in Serbian media. For instance, today we saw this Srpski Telegraf with a headline. They're writing about the former KFOR officer discovering that the killer of Oliver Ivanovic was working directly for the CIA. Well, this I do not know. I mean, I knew Oliver Ivanovic quite well. I knew him and he was a good friend. I'm very sorry for his murder, but I don't know actually if Florim Ejupi was the man behind the murder. If this is correct, that would be good news for the widow of Oliver Ivanovic. But we'll just have to see. So, okay, they're writing about me in Serbian media, that's okay. But I never said anything that Florim Ejupi was the killer of Oliver Ivanovic. What I can say, however, is that Florim Ejupi and his team of Albanian terrorists brutally killed 12 Serbs on February 16, 2001. And I was an eyewitness to this crime. I know this because I'm in touch with Joe McAllister, a former police officer with the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. You know, the guys with the funny hats riding on horses. I'm not sure how much they ride on horses, but they're excellent police officers. And Joe is telling me that they have evidence that the CIA covered for Florim Ejupi and released him from prison. He was sentenced to 40 years in prison, but then escaped from Boston, the US Army base in Kosovo. So now I hope there's some media attention now. Tomorrow I'll be again a guest with Milomir Marić in Happy TV. I like being a guest with Milomir. He's a funny guy. So I'll be there from 8:20 tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to be there at exactly 8:20, but I'll for sure be there. And on Thursday I'll be on Kopernikus TV. I'll be speaking in Serbian, so that would be excellent. Tomorrow also Kosovo Online is coming to my flat to make a recording. So there is going to be more and more media attention now. I'd like to, on this YouTube channel, I'll do much more English than I used to do. I'd like to reach a wider audience. So please join me in support. You have donate down below. And please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified of every new upload. And ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, comment as you see fit.